Right, welcome back, another destination modified video. Anyway, so we're back on 350 in regards to last time we done all the wide body. Well, we test fitted it all basically and put it on, marked it all out when needed, trimmed and everything. We took it all back off, trimmed it all where it needs to be, made sure it all fits right. Then removed it all, panel wiped everything, and then we've used panel bond, 3M panel bond, bonded it on, screwed it all back in, and we're going to leave it overnight. That's the aim of the video today, so enjoy.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste it, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going.
Ignore the magnificent. Did I even say that right?
That's the new livery.
Yeah. Custom, B&I if you need it, hit us up, not a problem. Like. No, anyway, ignore all these. This was just so we knew, even though we didn't actually bond it from this side, but this was just so we knew exactly where to put the bond. This was the main contact areas. First time doing it, so there's probably easier ways, but this is the easiest way for me. Us, Kelvin, he's a simple boy. And the same as the back. And obviously they're all still screwed in at the moment. So it's all been panel bonded, screwed back in, nice and tight up against the actual panel, and then I'll leave this over weekend, so it'll be a good 48 hours minimum, and then I'll take all these screws out.
And then hope it doesn't fall off.
I'll just take them all out and just go ping, and it'll be a waste. But nah, it should be absolutely fine. I spoke to a lad at the body shop, he said this panel bond stuff is supposed to be like cement more or less, so it should hopefully be pretty sick. Bricks and mortar in an old 350z. Nah, it should be fine. Anyway, it should be all on now. There's still a couple of little bits that we're going to make a couple of cleats and everything for this wee bit just to hold it right up against, because you can't bond that bit obviously. It'll nice wee cleats up there, courtesy of the old fella. We'll do that. Cleat all that, joint up through here, and then it's a case of kind of next bit on this car. I'm not saying it's going to be the next video, but the next bit on this car will probably be actually all being smoothed in. Like I said in the previous one, I'm going to give it a short sale. Kelvin will have a shot or no. I mean, he'll probably end up filling the fucking roof or something. Nothing to do with it, but you know what I mean. Kelvin.
That'd be so.
Yeah. No, so we're going to try all doing that ourselves. If it doesn't go, if it goes wrong, worst case, send it straight to the body shop. Not really actually too bothered. But I'd rather give it a shop sale and then say that I've done it myself, and then if it comes out alright and everything, then there'll probably be future ones in other cars, not the M4 though, not got the old chestnuts for that, I'm afraid. So yeah, stay updated with the build. Obviously just if you're not already subscribed, like, comment on the video, tell us anything if there's any pointers that you would give in regards to the wide body, it'd all come in handy, because like I'm saying, it's our first time. Any particular places to get other wee bits, like I want to do some custom bits, but like splitters and stuff like that, you can give us some recommendations. Like, comment, subscribe, you'll see us in the next one, hopefully, and stay jolly.